Hey guys, welcome back to Peculiar Hair. How are you all doing? Are you okay? Thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. We appreciate you all. You guys are the best of the best. Yes, if it's your first time of being here, welcome to our channel. You are watching Peculiar Hair. Feel good, look good, and beautiful. Here we upload everything about hair. Yeah, you can join the family. Just consider joining the family by subscribing. Put your bell notification to all so you will be notified each time we upload a new video, okay? Don't forget to like, comment each time you finish watching any of our uploads, like any of our videos. Make sure you comment. Give a big thumbs up. Yes, that's our motivator, you know. Yeah. Okay, today you are watching Ghana weaving ponytails, or Ghana braid ponytails, as some of you may call it, okay? Yes, we are still on ponytails. Like I said, if you haven't watched the first video we upload on ponytails, I would suggest you should go and watch it, okay? So you will be able to follow up the class. So we are still on ponytails, okay? So today is all about Ghana ponytails, okay? So we're going to be using the same mannequin we've been using to do small tutorial how to achieve Ghana ponytail, okay? Just go and watch that, our first video of ponytail, so you'll be able to understand all the things I explained on that video, okay? How to achieve ponytail on general, okay? Yeah, so that is it, guys. Stay tuned and watch to the end, okay? Don't skip. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Comment below if the comment section is open. We really need to read your feedbacks. Yes. So keep watching, guys. So guys, so as you can see, I have already part out the hair. So before you start, make sure you have already divided your hair extension into smaller pieces, okay? Into equal pieces. So the first, second, and third hair extension you are going to use, they are going to be smaller, okay? Like as you can see, this one. So they're going to be smaller, okay? Like this. They're going to be smaller. Then followed by the fourth one. So the fourth one is going to be the same size with other strands, okay? Yeah, so something like this. Let's do it this way. Maybe this one is the fourth piece you're going to use. So when you bring it like this, you have to divide it. So that will give you exactly the size you're going to use for the first and your second strands, okay? Yeah, so now this will be my fourth pieces of extension I'm going to be using, okay? So the first and the second and the third one, the third pieces of hair you're going to use should be smaller than the rest of the hair extension, okay? I don't know if I am making sense. So yeah, but keep watching. Maybe along the way you will get to understand what I'm trying to explain, okay? So guys, now as you can see, the hair is already parted out. So if you're a beginner, I would advise you to part out the hair before you can start, okay? As well as getting your extension ready. So right now, the first thing to do after parting out the hair, so you have to bring out the thread strands you're going to work out with, okay? So you just part out small hair like this. Yeah, if you want, you can start with the natural hair before you can start adding extension, though some people prefer starting with the extension at the same time, okay? But me, I prefer using the natural hair first, okay? So you have to either you use the natural hair as your third strand, like this. You just bring out small like this. So this will serve as your third strand. Then this one, you have to divide it like this, okay? Since you are adding extension, then you have to add extension this way. Then you have to use this, add extension with this too, okay, like this. Then this natural hair will not be your third strand, okay? That's how some people do plait their own, okay? But right now I'm going to start off with her natural hair first before I will start adding the extension, okay? I hope I am clear. Okay, yeah, as usual, just start braiding with the natural hair. So when you braid like 3 times, okay, you start adding the extension. So this is what I'm trying to explain. As you can see, this extension now is smaller, okay? I don't know if you can see it well. So this is how you are going to be adding it, okay? So like this, you go like this, okay? You hold it like this. You use this ring finger to hold it, okay? Because you are going to go from top like this. Then you can use this ring finger to hold it, or some people do use their pinky finger to hold it. So whichever one you find easy, okay, just do with it, or you go with it. So let's see if you can hold it with our pinky finger. So like this, okay, you hold with your pinky finger, you hold firm, okay? Then you twist, put under, and grab it with your pointer and your thumb like this, okay? Then the third strand that is hanging up, the third leg that is hanging up, okay, you have to grab with your 3 fingers. Then as usual, the way you do your normal cornrows, okay? So when you grab it, just like this, okay? Make sure the one you are holding with your pinky, you are going to grab it again with this. You're going to grab it with the pointer at the left hand side. As you can see, my pointer is moving like this. You're going to grab it with this. Yeah, see it over, okay? Don't know if you can see it, okay? Now look at that one is here. You are already having it with your pointer and your thumb. Yes, look at it, look at the whole strand here. So now you have to grab this on top again, then under, okay? Just the way you do your normal regular cornrows. Then you have to add extension again, okay? Remember, your pinky finger is waiting to hold. So flip over like this. I don't know if you can see it. Then collect with your thumb and pointer, your left thumb and pointer. Then like this, okay? Then you're already holding it. Grab this, let it be firm, okay? Just like this. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'll keep repeating it all over and all over again so you'll be able to understand. So this is our last small pieces of small hair, okay? After this, we can now continue with the other one. Yeah, so like this, you grab, so now we are starting with the big piece of extension. So you keep repeating the process. I don't know if you can see what I am doing, though on the way the hair, you can feel as if it's tangled. So always run your hand to detangle on the way, okay? So yeah. So I'm going to repeat the process the third time, okay? If you don't get it the first time, the second time, probably this third time you are going to get it. Just listen, okay? Listen to what I am explaining and also focus on the demonstration, okay? Yeah. Now, this is the extension, right? So we have already added it up. As you can see, it's no more small, it's no more tiny, it's now bigger than the first one we used. So now you have to over your hand like this, over your finger, then hold it with your pinky, whichever one that you find more easy, just go with it, okay? Whether with your ring finger or with your pinky finger, okay? So whichever one, but make sure you are conscious of how you are putting the hair, okay? Then remember the thumb and the pointer is here waiting, to collect this one, right? See, you do it this way, you collect it, then grab this one on top, under as usual, then you keep doing it this way, the same process, okay? Just keep repeating the same process, adding this way. So because after now I'm going to leave you to watch the video, I'm going to go with the fast motion, okay? As you can see, it's already forming the Ghana illusion. Remember, this is for visual learning purposes, okay? So yeah. So guys, this is it, okay? So I don't know if it's obvious. As you can see, the Ghana weaving illusion. So I don't know if it is obvious though, but let's see. So let's see. Don't know if you can see it. Oh, those are the two. Okay, so these ones are the ones we have used on our last video for other ponytails, okay? So just focus on these two we made now. As you can see, the Ghana weaving illusions. Yeah, this is it. So this is it, guys. Remember, it's ponytail, so everything is going to be here, okay? So go and watch the other videos so you'll be able to understand how we arrive here, okay? So how we do all these ones and arrive here, okay? So we are not going to lose these ones, like unravel these ones, because we are still teaching with them, okay? So yes, I'm going to remove them only when I'm done with the ponytails videos, okay? But for now, I'm still teaching on ponytails, so it's still going to be like this. So remember, we'll have different ponytails, okay? So we're going to be uploading some of them, not all though, we are going to be uploading some of them. So this one we just did now, this Ghana weaving. So remember, the amount of extension you are bringing out or you are adding, it depends on the size of the cornrows you are going for, okay? So if you are going for the large one, small one, medium one, it all depends. So from there, the amount of or the size of hair or the pieces of hair, whichever one you are going to be using, okay? But when you are braiding, just make sure that the hair you are using is not bigger than the hair you parted out, okay? Let everything be almost the same equal size. Let it be the same equal size, okay? So yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you were able to understand one or two things here today, okay? If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? So like, share, comment below. If there is anything I am not doing right, let me know at the comment section, okay? Yeah, this is it for today. Oh my goodness. See. So we all are learning, okay? So keep practicing. Believe me, one day you're going to be perfect, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for practicing with me. I will see you all on our next one, okay? Always remember, we're still on ponytails. We still have more videos of ponytails to upload. So along with tutorial. So yeah, take good care of yourself. Love yourself as always, okay? So I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye. See you guys. Bye.